Ever heard of EverBank? Chances are, if you live in a small town or haven't done much online banking, you probably haven't. But with the rise of online-only banks, EverBank has been making waves. So, let's dive into the question, is EverBank a local bank? What is a local bank? Defining local, before we answer the main question, let's clarify what we mean by local. A local bank is typically a brick-and-mortar institution that serves a specific geographic area. They have physical branches, ATMs, and often a strong community presence. EverBank, a brief overview. Online-only model, EverBank is not your typical local bank. It's an online-only financial institution, meaning it doesn't have any physical branches. All of its operations, from account opening to customer service, are conducted online or over the phone. History and growth. Founded in 1999, EverBank has experienced significant growth over the years. It's become a popular choice for consumers and businesses looking for competitive rates and convenient online services. Advantages of online banking. Convenience and accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of online banking is convenience. You can access your accounts 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. There's no need to visit a branch during limited business hours. Lower fees. Online-only banks often have lower fees compared to traditional banks. This can save you money on things like account maintenance, ATM fees, and overdraft charges. Higher interest rates. In many cases, online banks offer higher interest rates on savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, than traditional banks. This can help your money grow faster. Disadvantages of online banking. Lack of personal touch. While online banking offers convenience, it can also lack the personal touch that you might get from a local bank. If you prefer face-to-face interactions with a bank representative, an online-only bank might not be the best fit. Limited services. Some online banks may have limitations in terms of the services they offer. For example, you might not be able to get a personal loan or open a checking account with a high minimum balance. Is EverBank right for you? Consider your needs. Whether EverBank is a good choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you value convenience, low fees, and competitive rates, online banking might be a great option. However, if you prefer personal interactions and a strong local presence, a traditional bank might be a better fit. Customer reviews and ratings. Before making a decision, it's a good idea to read customer reviews and ratings of EverBank. This can give you a sense of the bank's reputation and customer satisfaction. So, to answer the original question, is EverBank a local bank? No, it's not. EverBank is an online-only financial institution that offers a range of banking products and services. Whether or not it's the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're interested in learning more about EverBank or exploring other online banking options, be sure to do your research and compare different banks to find the best fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.